Hey, welcome to Facebook Chamber Happenings. I'm here with Bob Krysak today. Hi, everybody. A few quick announcements. Well, today's guest, Bob, is helping out at Earth Day Festival because how many jobs do you have? Like
Too
20?
many.
Yeah.
Too many.
How many boards are you sitting on?
Several.
So he gives back all the time. All right. Big thank you to Chamber Happenings sponsor is Comfort Bros Heating and Air, Plumbing and Electrical. They do everything. They're great guys and gals. Membership renewals. Just a reminder, they were due February 1st. If you haven't got an email or anything, please call our office. Let us know. Check your spam or junk file and renew because we took memberships away and there's a lot of access to it. Our highlight in April is Pamu Valley Winery. I'm smiling because Christina makes fun of me all the time. She's behind the camera. Visit our link in our bio. Cindy puts a lot of work in this. It's really cool. April Mixer is this Thursday. It's weird how the month fell. It's always the third Thursday of the month. And it's down here at the brokerage on Main Street. Starts at 5:30. The theme is the 70s. That seems like yesterday, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Cheers to the Valley is happening Saturday, April 18th. Tickets are still available on our website, and we still have some sponsor areas left if you'd like to sponsor. Let us know, call us, email us, and we'll point you in the right direction or get you some tickets. They are available at the door, of course, and it's over at Begent Ranch, and I just want to say thank you to Miss Begent and her family for doing that. Taste of Ramona, we're going to feed you around May 16th. It is May 16th, and I believe we have 20 restaurants, I think, participating. Don't quote me. They might have added some or take some away, but tickets are available on our website. So let us know if you want to advertise with us. We have over 10,620 social media followers. We have 1,095 newsletter subscribers. Call the office. Talk to Cindy on that. She does a great job. And let's talk about Earth Day.
Yes.
Let's go into it.
Yeah, I'm here to promote the 5th annual Earth Day Festival to be held at the Begent Ranch, speaking of Begent Ranch, on Saturday, April 25th from 11 to 4. The purpose of Sustainable Ramona is to promote and educate the populace about sustainability practices related to water, fire prevention, reduced utility bills. And in doing that, we put on this festival every year for the past 5 years. And at the festival, we have 40 exhibitors.
Wow, that's pretty good this year.
That's pretty good, yeah. And it's covering all the gambit of sustainability practices. We also have an extensive kids zone with a lot of children activities, with a treasure hunt.
Nice.
So it's great for the family and great for kids. The suggested donation is $10. There'll be music all day, food, plenty of exhibitors. The weather will be great. The Begent's Ranch is a great location for these type of events. So I would encourage you all to come out and have fun. Again, the suggested donation is $10, but you don't have to donate. We would appreciate it if you did.
Yeah.
But we want to open it up to everybody because sustainability and the preservation of our environment is a very critical factor going forward.
It's got to last us a long time to come, doesn't it?
Forever, yes.
And it teaches kids good stuff too.
Yeah.
You know, so, all right.
So I hope to see you all there Saturday, April 25th at the Begent Ranch from 11 to 4.
And thank you again to the Begent Ranch because Molly and her husband.
They give so much back.
They give so much to the community. We appreciate you. So, all right, everybody. We'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye.
Have a great day.